So this video is just real quick, like intermediate accounting 2. Essentially, it's gonna be mainly related to like 4 different things. Like, one is gonna be related to like depreciation and things related to depreciation, all that good stuff. There's like different forms of depreciation I could go into later. Straight line, double declining, variable, as in like units of activity based, yearly, whatever, that depreciation, all that stuff. And then there's like amortization, which is like the intangible asset version of depreciation, when these are intangible assets such as trademarks, copyrights, etc. Depletion, which is like the depreciation of natural resources. Impairments, which is like when you guys do like fair market value of like assets. Like, for example, if there's like a partnership or like a person like wants to join a partnership, you gotta assess the assets based off the fair market value. There's like a difference, there's an impaction, you have to write all that stuff, journal entries for all that stuff. That's essentially what it is. And then there's going to be stuff related to like liabilities. This is really simple stuff like current liabilities, current assets, what's considered to be those, how to like write in different things related to liabilities. Liabilities, pretty much. And then there's going to be things related to like bonds. This is a pretty big one, things related to like discounts, premiums, how to like journalize these bonds. Like it's really going to be related to like journal entries for these bonds. And then like one of the main ones is actually going to be things related to stockholder equity and then this one's going to be kind of tricky regards, like there's certain kinds of things to know about stockholder equity, especially related to like common stock and preferred stock, additional paid-in capital, as well as like treasury stock, and like how like all that good stuff works. And then there's like stuff related to like conversion of this, like stockholder equity is actually going to be a really big one. Conversion of this stuff, exercising stocks, stock splits, it's like a bunch of stuff related to stockholder equity, which is important. And then like journalizing these. And then there's just stuff related to like ratios, pretty simple stuff like turnover ratio, return on assets, EPS, earnings per share. And that's essentially what intermediate accounting 2 is about. That's all it is. I'm gonna make this video real quick. I don't want to talk too much about intermediate accounting because there is a lot of math stuff, so it's not just like conceptual. You have to actually like write these journal entries, calculate like depreciation, all that good stuff. So, but that's essentially all it is. That's intermediate accounting 2.